Hi, it's Bruce Parker from MarineMax, and we're going to look at the 350 realm we have here in our showroom in Lindenhurst, New York. The 350 realm is designed for both sport fishing and cruising families. Let's climb aboard through the side entry door, and there's a ladder here for either dive or just swimming. You'll see in the boat there's still fish boxes, so you can do your fishing on both sides. And there is a live well. The boat is equipped with triple 350 Mercury Verados. Plenty of power for this boat, that's for sure. There is a fold down bench seat here in the stern, and you can see there's a ladder that goes off the side. As we look forward on the starboard side, there's a grill station with a refrigerator, and there's also a hot and cold water running sink. There is a seat in the back that right now is facing forward, and with just a simple push is now an aft facing seat. So it's a great option if you're at the hook and you want to watch the fishing lines going out the side. As we walk up on the port side, very wide gunnels, full hardtop, and on the aft portion of the hardtop there is an extended canvas awning. Great on those real hot sunny days to keep the sun off you. There's another full bench seat here at the helm with flip up bolsters. Great visibility through the windshield. Beautiful powder coating all the way around. Windshield wipers are in there. And you'll see also there is an air vent, so you get some fresh air. This boat does have a full enclosure, so you can stay out of the weather, and there is air conditioning and heat back here. On the dash, you'll see there's a pair of gray marine screens, and all your gauges can be on one, your chart plotter radar on the other. Plenty of cup holders, and the boat does have joystick docking. While we're here, we're going to go down in the main cabin. Beautifully done, designed for nice overnight staying with no problem. Those cushions are set up now as a bed, and on the bulkhead here there's also a TV. Again, this is fully air conditioned and heated here also, and there's a full enclosure for the head. Got a vacuum flush head, hot and cold water, and a shower. Beautifully done with all LED lighting here on the boat. As we go back out, we'll work our way forward. There's so much to see in this boat, it's very hard to go through all the details in a short video. This boat is equipped with a forward sunshade. Again, great on those hot sunny days. And as we move forward, beautiful seating here on the bow. Triple wide facing seats with armrest. Beautiful table, teak table with a cushion on top that can be lowered to be a full sun pad up here, and then again you have more seating forward. And as you can see on the side, plenty of storage, plenty of cup holders, plenty of everything on this boat. Again, this is the 350 realm, designed for families, and you can still fish and enjoy a full day out on the water. Hope to see you here soon.